everyone, today we are going to have a demonstration on how to file nil returns. Nil returns means that over the past year you had no income that was subjected to tax. The reason why we end up having KRA pins before employment is because one is required to have this pin before they can access services such as opening a bank account or even receiving a loan from HELB. Therefore, many of our children, our brothers or sisters have KRA pins, and therefore they are required to file nil returns. Now, this is how you go about it. All you need to do, you need to head over to your browser, you search for itax. Search for itax, and you take itax KRA. Depending on the speed of your internet, you are sure to have a page like this, and therefore you will enter your PIN. Your PIN will be entered here. In this case, this is my PIN 0991, and therefore many times most of us will realize that we have forgotten our password, and therefore there's no reason to worry. All you need to do is to say that you've forgotten your password. In case you still remember your password, go ahead and log in. If not, this is how you're going to reset your password. You say forgot my password or unlock account. It will redirect you to another page where we will get the place for setting the password. Now this is the place. You need to do the math to make sure that so that it's confirmed that you're not a robot. For the sake of accuracy, we better use a calculator so that we don't end up doing this math over and over again. And therefore this is 143 less 6 is 137. 137, you submit, and the message will come back that your password has been mailed to you. And therefore it's important to note that you need to have access to the mail that is linked to your itax. And therefore I'll head over to my email, and I'll head over to my email, and this is the response from KRA after resetting my password. And therefore the password is right here. It's only that the KRA portal, you cannot paste anything, and therefore all you need to do, since you already have the password here, go ahead and put your PIN again. Yes, now the password is the password that has been sent to you here. This is the password that has been sent to you, and therefore it is safer to record it somewhere on a paper, so that it's easy. It's cap sensitive, and therefore make sure that you write exactly as it appears. This K, it's a capital K, M, and V, uppercase. Therefore, head back to password. It's capital K, 4, uppercase O, again you need to go about the calculation. 169 add 13, 182, and you log in. You can see now we are moving on. It has accepted to log in. Now what you need to do is you need to re-enter the password as the old password. Remember, you had written it somewhere. There we go. Now this is where you need to be careful. Now you are given a chance to enter a new password of your choice. Perhaps you need to enter something that is familiar, that can be remembered in the next year when you want to file the returns again. And therefore I'll go ahead and put something simple, something that I can remember and yet strong. Password is slightly weak, no harm. There are a set of questions here that you can answer as your security question. What is the name of your favorite pet? in what city were you born, what high school did you attend, what is your favorite movie, what was the make of your first car, when is your anniversary, what is your favorite color, what street did you grow up on, what is your mother's maiden name. I prefer color. This is easy, and this is my color. I need to confirm that is truly the color. Yeah, sure, that's it. Go ahead and say that you agree to the KRA website policy and disclaimer. Again, you need to click and say that you have read the KRA website secure password policy guideline, which are all here, and you submit this form, and there we go. We are logged in now. It says that your password has been successfully changed. Yes, we acknowledge that we have changed the password, and therefore now, dear friends, we want to file nil return, and therefore you can see that on the menu bar you have a lot of options, but our option is to file nil return. All you need to do, you need to go to returns. Don't click, just place the pointer. It will bring the drop down menu. You can see we have an option of filing return, file amended return, view file return, or file nil return. Therefore, all you need to do, click on file nil return. It will bring this page. Your tax obligation as a resident individual. We have three options: rent income, non-resident individual, or resident individual. Most of us are resident individuals. Therefore, take the option of resident individual and next. I need to take you to this place. All you need to do now, your personal identification number is here, and we are filing for the period from January 1, 2019 to 31st December 2019. And there you submit. Then you get a communication from KRA, and it says, dear taxpayer, filing of nil returns is only applicable in case where you have no transaction to declare for the period. Are you sure you want to file nil return? And therefore it is important to make sure that while filing nil return, it only means that you received no income in the past year. And in this case, because I'm very, very sure that I received no income, I will say yes, I want to file a return. And that's it. You're done. The filing has gone through. Would you like to participate in a survey? Perhaps let me say yes and see how it comes about. It's opening. The survey from KRA. How much time does it take for you to prepare and submit income tax resident individual return? I'll say it's less than 30 minutes, or if it took you 30 minutes or 2 hours or 4 hours or more than 8 hours, kindly specify. How would you rate your overall experience with the itax portal? My experience has been excellent. I do not know about you. It's fair, good, poor, very good. Kindly feel free to participate on the survey and be honest about your remarks. And therefore, you can give a feedback to KRA. I can say something to KRA. You can type whatever. If you have a comment, you have a suggestion, you want to pass some communication, it's open for you to. Right, my comment to them is that this is an excellent portal, and I submit the survey. Once I do that, I'll be done with this page. You can close it, and here you can see that you have a chance of downloading your return slip. Now, also, the return slip has been sent to my mail. If I check my inbox, I can see that I have received a mail from admin itax, and it's an acknowledgement of income tax resident individual return for the period 1st January 2019 to 31st December 2019. My receipt is right here, and I am now sure that my filing has gone through. What I need to do, I can either download it here or I still have it here, and therefore it means I am sure to get it again. What I can do now, I just need to log out so that I don't leave my account running, and there I go. It's logged out. I'm sure now it's possible for you to file return for yourself. In case of any question or any inquiry, kindly feel free to contact us. We'll come in handy to help. Thank you. I hope this has helped.